Hi guys, I'm Paul.
And I'm Bea.
And in this video, we're giving you an update on our Google Voice fiasco.
So if you saw our other video regarding Google Voice, and then you know that my Google number was suspended without warning a few months ago. And it was such a pain trying to get an answer from Google. And you can watch that video here. We're going to link it somewhere.
The day after we posted that video, Google reinstated her account. So right now, I think the phone number is safe. Their response was,
Google confirms that Ms. Santiago's Google Voice number was reinstated on June 27, 2023. The support document provided by Ms. Santiago only applies to workspace customers and not the consumer version of Google Voice. So they may continue to use Google Voice in the US as Google Voice is a US-only product, or you can port out the number. So what does that mean? Am I in the clear? Does that mean that I have my Google Voice back forever? Or does that mean that they're just giving me enough time to port it out?
I feel like they're giving you enough time to port it out, but if you're going to be one of those people who are going to complain to the FCC, then yeah, I think you might be in the clear, but I doubt it.
I don't know. So, I mean, I'm not the only one that's using Google Voice outside of the US. Don't tell them that. But yeah, so basically, so what's my point? My point is, since that last video, we told you that I had a Skype account that I thought was more expensive. It was like $7 a month, and I didn't really want to pay that. So I found two recommendations from Facebook users. So the first is Tossable Digits for $3.50 a month, and the second one I found is NumberBarn for about $2 a month. So both companies called their service number parking. So you get to keep your number even if it's a landline or if it's a cell phone, and you can send and receive texts. You can also receive calls, but then if you want to make calls, then you will have to pay an additional fee.
We didn't get a chance to use either because she got her number reinstated. So proceed with caution. So some say that they received the two-factor authentication with Tossable Digits. Some say they don't. If you've been using Tossable Digits or NumberBarn, let us know in the comments how your experience was.
And we'll link both of the pricing guide below so you can kind of see and compare for yourself. And again, use it with caution. We haven't used these, so we don't know how good they are, but we did see other people use them and say that they're fine.
Hopefully you found this video helpful. I hope that you enjoyed our update. And we'll see you in the next video. Adios.
Thank you. Bye.